So Jevin, we get a chance to talk about why we're investing all this time and effort into doing Startup Empire.
You know, for me, it's really about talking and getting a conversation about going about how it's different to build a startup in Canada. You know, I think fundamentally there's so many things that you have to do here that are different, and I think, you know, the current downturn in the U.S. is a great example of why it's so important to build really strong, really well-grounded companies, and that's something we've been doing here for years. And now it's time, and it's a chance for us to go out and take those companies to the world, which is why I love the name Startup Empire.
I think that we've had the opportunity to see so many inspirational entrepreneurs at conferences in the US and around the world that there really was an opportunity to bring world-class talent to Canada to talk about startups in a Canadian environment. There's really something that's missing outside of Canada when, as a Canadian entrepreneur, and this is our opportunity to talk about stuff as it pertains to growing a huge business here.
And you know, it's something that's been done in Canada. Empires have been built here, and it's time for a new breed of entrepreneur to start thinking about how we can create the next empire right here in Canada and how we can take it out into the world.
I think the part that for me is really interesting is that this is for us, it's a conference for entrepreneurs by entrepreneurs. We're really trying to bring hands-on real-world experience that other entrepreneurs and building companies can deliver to conference attendees. To, you know, those materials, whether it's example term sheets, marketing plans, business development strategies, product design and technology decisions, to say, how do I learn from the mistakes and benefit from the experiences that entrepreneurs have had and have take-home real-world materials.
Which is, that, I mean, for me, that's one of the biggest goals of the conference, is that when you leave the conference, you have something that changes or informs your startup and helps you go to the next level. Because, you know, I go to a lot of conferences and we leave energized and excited, but rarely do you leave with the tools that you need to go to the next level.
This is an opportunity to go from idea all the way through to launch and to help to start building Canadian empires.